Welcome back to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. In this video, I'm reporting on how you can win up to $10,000 on PayPal. If you're new here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Of course, in this video, I'm going to give you the information that you need in order to be entered into this prize draw. Do stay tuned in this video because I will show you where you can find when these giveaways start and more information on how PayPal do their giveaways and more. So of course there will be more giveaways that they do, so stay tuned to the end of the video because I will be showing you how you can find out when these giveaways are in place in PayPal, so you can get a head start in order to win those prizes or the prize draw money. From now until December the 19th, every time you use PayPal to check out or make a donation of over $10, you'll be entered into a chance to win $10,000 and thousands of other prizes. So not only is there $10,000 up for grabs, there is also thousands of prizes. This is an official giveaway via PayPal. The PayPal company are the ones who are giving this away. But there's more information to give you. Of course, there are more prizes and there are more giveaways. So let's step into that right now and I'll give you more information so you are in with a better chance of winning any of these prizes or of course that cash prize with PayPal. Here we are on the official PayPal website to give you more information on how you can win this prize draw or the gifts that PayPal are giving away. This says, every time you check out with PayPal for $10 or more, you're automatically entered for a weekly chance to win $25, $50, $250 or $10,000 to shop with PayPal. That means every gift you give, every ugly sweater you order and every charity you support is another chance to win. Let's scroll down from here. This also reads, here's how you could win. Check out with PayPal, online or in store, pay later with PayPal. So I've already taught you how you can pay later with PayPal. And there is also the donate with PayPal. If you'd like me to teach you how to donate with PayPal, then of course don't forget to comment down below and I can show you how you can donate to your selected charity using your PayPal account. Now let's scroll down just a little bit more. There are official rules that you can click on here, so I'll click onto the official rules. These are the official rules. You can pause the video and you can read this at any time. Of course this is for the US, so let's scroll down to give you more information. There is also when these dates end. So there is a useful piece of information here where you can see the other giveaways and their time period. So you can see this chart here where it's given you when the prizes are given to the winners and of course when these competitions end. So this is an incentive for you to join PayPal today. Of course, these are the terms and conditions of the giveaway and the prize draws, so how you will receive your gifts and more. You'll be able to find all that information here. It's well worth scrolling through this page if you're very serious on winning these prizes. I know there are people online who enter prize draws for a profession in order to give away those gifts to other people, so that's something that you might want to pay attention to as well here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. Maybe I win something and I give it to you, who knows. But with that said, thank you guys for watching this video. There are more PayPal videos here on the channel. Of course I teach you how to use PayPal and other payment services online, so it's well worth smashing that subscribe button. But of course watch the video all the way through to the end because I always have the online money playlist and another relevant piece of content for you here to teach you more PayPal and other payment services. You've been watching a video here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. Good luck with the giveaway, hope you win, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and a share, all that good stuff. Thank you very much.